vidIQ.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.com.
When you are logged into YouTube, you should see your channel logo in the top right hand corner of most YouTube screens. If you click on that, you have the option to go to YouTube Studio. This is currently in beta, but will become the standard as 2019 progresses. This is the new Studio dashboard screen, and from here you can click on videos and it will show you the 30 most recent videos on your channel. To delete a video, mouse over it and you should see 3 dots, which are your options. If you click on this, you will have the option to delete the video. Click on that and YouTube will give you a final confirmation. As you can see, this is a permanent action. Once you delete the video, you can't retrieve it from YouTube and you lose all the comments that go along with it. Once you understand this, check the appropriate box, click delete, and your video is gone. Currently in the new studio, there is no way to bulk delete videos, but if there is in the future, this is likely the way to do it. Down the left hand side, you can see checkboxes. You can select multiple videos through this, and you see an edit button towards the top along the black bar. The delete option is likely to be here, but not yet. Now, before you delete any videos off your channel, think long and hard before you do so. As we already can see, you lose the video permanently along with the comments, but more importantly, you lose the views and your watch time, which can be very important if you're working towards monetizing your content on YouTube. However, if you have copyrighted content on your videos or content that YouTube deems as a duplicate, then in order to apply for the YouTube Partner Program to monetize your channel, you may need to delete those videos. YouTube will warn you about this at the time. Generally speaking, we don't recommend you deleting old videos just because you think they have a detrimental impact on your channel now. That's simply not the case. There's also the vanity perspective. Do you want to delete videos because you're embarrassed by them? What we say is that every video should form part of your YouTube journey, and when you and your audience look back on them, you can say, wow, this is where I was, here I am now. Our question of the day is, have you ever deleted a video off YouTube, and why have you done that? Let us know in the comments below. In the meantime, if you want to take your YouTube channel to the next level, then make sure to download vidIQ. It will help you research YouTube, analyze videos, audit your own channel and take actionable steps. There is a link in the video description. Make sure to check out our YouTube Beginner's Guide playlist over here and more awesome content. We'll see you on those videos. Enjoy the rest of your video making day.